Hi.
Hi, is that today 15?
How are you? Sorry?
Is today January 15?
Wait. 15. Yes, yes.
Okay. I
Tuesday.
think I cancel it probably.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye. I think it's University of Toronto. I don't know what. It's closed. Oh, maybe that is. It's beautiful. It's amazing.
Like, this is part of the university building. That's part of the university building.
Yeah, I want that.
Okay. If you to go to like the watchtower,
Okay.
and like there's like quite a lot of circle, which is like the general area. You go there and just cross the street, like
Yeah,
right
yeah,
there.
yeah.
And then
Got it.
if you walk over there.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye. Let's go. Oh, it's amazing. Tree. Ooh. Beautiful dog. They said the university is closed today. And but we're going. No problem. This is University of Toronto and it's beautiful, it's amazing. Ooh. What is here? France there. I think these are the classes of the university. It's beautiful. The environment is beautiful. Has good energy. Let's go. Please follow me. University of Toronto. Love it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, can you see? What?
Just still the same. What? Still the same level of that
Oh, it's amazing. My God. Can you see the what? Here is very big, so big. Big. Where should I go? I don't know. It's very big. See? It's very big. Out of university, inside of university. Art house. Ha 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 ha. Hi. Do you know where is the washroom?
No.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Hi. It's beautiful. Another side of university. Hello guys, how are you? Do you know where is the washroom?
Washroom?
There's one in Gerst.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Over there, there's like stairs downstairs, and you can
Yes.
go there.
Is it open?
Yes.
Yeah, it is
Okay.
open.
Have a good day. Bye.
Alright, no problem.
Hi. Hi everybody. I like you. Oh, it's beautiful. See. Turn. They are gaming.
Plus he was gay.
He was gay.
In the snow, baby.
Hello. Sorry, do you know where is the washroom?
Yeah, right there.
Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Are you online? No. Okay.
I think I did. I got a few.
Acho.
Wait, did you meet Warren in one visit? Wait, Warren, like the.
Like ours has a policy that they won't take them because they don't, just in case like anything happens or it gets lost or something, they don't.
Okay. Well,
It's getting content away. You're so uncle. Wait. So one other person like.
Wait, why is all
someone else like.
why does he play our bathroom?
Goodbye, university. Goodbye. We have to go. Cemetery of university. We're going out. Okay.
That way? Are you trying to go to the field or are you trying to go to like the building?
Next station, Union. Union Station. Transfer for Up Express, Go Transit, Ontario Northland, Yale Rail, and intercity buses. Doors are open on the left.